5 Best Cordless Stick Vacuum for Tile Floors Review. Number 1. Tyneco A11 Hero. This is one of the most powerful stick vacuums out there. It has a 450W motor that gives 128 of suction power. This gives it a high suction power that will clean your tile floors as well as the carpet and give them that clean and shiny look that you want. So, it can be used as a best cordless stick vacuum for carpet. It also has a 10-inch brush roll that enhances its cleaning abilities. The brush spins, which makes it suitable for cleaning hard-surfaced floors. It has a 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery. It comes in pairs, which means you can switch the batteries should you need to. The battery lasts for 30 minutes on normal mode and 7 minutes on max mode. Number 2. Jash Powerful Stick Vacuum. This vacuum is really good because of its impressive suction power. You can use it for 40 minutes non-stop. It can pick up even the thinnest and lightest debris like pet hair. For versatility, the vacuum comes with 2 different brushes for cleaning different types of floors. It has extra HEPA filtration with 3 stages of filtration. Jash vacuum separates air very efficiently from non-allergenic fresh air. It also saves your vacuum as it is easily cleaned. This preserves your suctioning and prevents the vacuum from clogging. It also comes with an LED front light, which means you can use it in low lighting. It has a battery indicator that lets you know the battery percentage. Number 3. Dyson Cyclone V10. The Dyson brand really made a phenomenal tool when it comes to the Cyclone V10. It has a long-lasting battery that can give you up to a whole hour of continuous usage. It has one of the most powerful suction power. Dyson Cyclone V10 removes dirt from even the thickest of surfaces. The vacuum is lightweight, so it won't give you any problems when it comes to using it for a long time. It is also versatile in that it can be used to clean different surfaces in the home. Can transform to a handheld vacuum to clean upholstery and chairs. It can be used to pick up any debris, whether large or fine dust particles. Its dust bin is bigger than most vacuums, so it can store a lot of dirt. This means you won't need to frequently empty it. It also has 3 power modes that you can choose from for cleaning different areas. Number 4. Mazu Cordless Vacuum. Since this is a cordless vacuum, this one is suitable for use in areas that do not have a power source nearby. It is versatile because it is a stick vacuum. It can be used to clean different debris. This means you can use it to vacuum hard-to-reach areas and clean them with ease. It has a small, detachable battery that is lithium-ion. The battery gives you up to 45 minutes of use. You can detach the battery and attach a new one when it runs out. It can convert to a handheld vacuum to reach small crevices and corners. Number 5. Onsen Stick Vacuum. Although this isn't one of the most famous brands, it does not disappoint when it comes to its performance. The vacuum cleaner is very lightweight, making it easy for you to move around within your house. You can easily adjust its motor head. This allows you to reach different areas, even underneath hidden surfaces. You can use it to clean high areas like the ceiling or the walls. The vacuum comes with 2 brush heads. The small one is for cleaning hardwood and tile floors while the bigger brush is for cleaning rugs and carpets. It has a good suction power that allows you to vacuum any surface. It also uses HEPA filtration,